we just finna get straight into it. So first things first, you want to grab you some soap and wash your hands. It can be any kind of soap, natural soap. So you want to wash those stinking ass hands. You want to make sure they're nice and clean before you touch your face. Next, you want to wet your face. Make sure you guys are using warm water, you know what I'm saying, to go ahead and open up them pores. You want to get your cleanser. I use personally CeraVe cleanser. You know, grab you a little amount. You don't need too much. Lather it up. And then you want to rub it on your face. You know, get your face nice and clean. And make sure you guys don't scratch. Just keep scrubbing. Get in there. Get your face clean. Get that neck too. Oh, and if y'all see me talking and laughing a little bit, I'm just talking to my wife. Alright, so now you want to rinse your face with cold water so y'all can close them pores. Now you want to take you a cloth or some sort and pat dry. Don't rub. Pat. I don't know why I'm scrubbing my eyes, but pat, pat, pat. So now I'm gonna take the skin therapy oil. I'm just gonna take like a little bit because it's oily. You already see it in my hand. And I'm gonna put it on my problem areas like scars, dark marks, under eye circles, anything like that. And I'm just gonna smooth it in. I'm not gonna be too aggressive with it. I'm just gonna smooth it in nicely. So next, we're going to take this vitamin C serum. I'm going to take a little pea-sized amount of this. Like, you really don't need a lot of this because it's very loose oil. So I'm just going to, I like to spread it evenly like this and rub it all over my face. And as I said, you guys don't want to be too aggressive with this. You just want to smooth it on your skin and take your time with it. Make sure it gets all in your skin and everything in your neck. It's gonna the vitamin C serum is gonna help with aging, brighten up your skin, and all of that good stuff. Next, I'm going to take the CeraVe moisturizing cream. I'm just going to take a little amount and spread it evenly throughout my skin and my neck. You notice how I'm taking my time with each section. I'm just rubbing it through my skin. I'm not being aggressive with it. Alright, y'all, so that's the end of the skincare routine. That's everything I do. I incorporated, is that the word? Whatever. I incorporated, implemented, I don't know, a couple of new things into my skin routine, you know, because I'm trying to get that glass skin. But, you know, gotta take care of these dark marks, you feel me? But I feel like my skin looks a lot better, a lot more shinier, you know what I'm saying? A lot more, I don't know, it just feels very hydrated. From the shit I use. But yeah, that's the end of the skin routine. It's KB. If you didn't know, now you do. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on them post notifications so you get notified every time I post. Alright, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.